Hi, just went back to my nice home today. We're out here at the shed, as you can tell, and I've been wanting to do this video for so long. So today we went to Walmart and I got me a gun, some pellets, and I bought a blind the other day, which will be coming in Monday. So it'll be a couple of days before we get to do the whole part of the video. But let me show y'all what I got. So this is a Daisy BB gun, as y'all can probably tell, and then I got these 177 caliber pellets, and I got some BBs here. And the BBs is what we're going to be shooting tonight, because I really don't want to shoot the pellets in the shed here. I might shoot one or two, but not going to shoot too many. But I've been getting 4 or 5 squirrels on camera every day, so I want to go set up in the blind one day next week and see if we can get us some squirrels with this Daisy BB gun. Killed many squirrels before with Daisy BB guns, rabbits, all types of stuff. So let's get this thing unboxed, y'all. Need a knife or something. There we go. When I've gotten BB guns, I've always gotten the Daisies, so that's why I got it this time too. Back all this up. And I'm gonna put y'all in here so you can halfway see what I'm doing. So I've opened many of these. Probably had 10 before. It comes in this nice package. Now we're gonna set y'all in there. Try to set y'all in where y'all can see something. Now we're gonna take the BB gun. We're gonna take it out. I remember when I first bought one of these. Well, I didn't buy it, but I got one time. And I think that thing was maybe 30 bucks. And I paid $60 for this thing. That was quite expensive for this little thing. So, oh man, this thing brings back so many memories. Oh, iron sights on it. Oh man. I bet I don't know. I've killed all types of stuff with these guns. Oh, that old safety head on. I don't know how many squirrels got away from me because of having to pull this back and then shove one in and then pump this 10 times. Oh man, I don't know how many squirrels got away from me because I was making too much noise. But they break after a little while. The thing I noticed though is many of them I've had, they always break in the wintertime. I guess it's something with the seals and it gets cold and they break. But let's get the scope out. I'm not gonna put scope on right now. Well, actually I might, but ooh, they added some caps to it. When I first was getting these, I ain't even had one of these BB guns in 2 or 3 years. Man. This is weird. I don't know if y'all can see anything, but I tried. But I did buy like this little pop-up blind, so that's what we're gonna be hunting out of next week. Whenever we go hunting, might go hunting one evening. We might go tomorrow evening or something. Try to get a bird, a squirrel, something, just to try to knock something down with this. But the real hunting will be with the blind. You gotta put this up and shake it around. That's more BBs in there. I remember I used to fill this up and go all day long. And then have a handful on pockets too. Oh man. This brings back so many memories. Let's just find something to shoot and then I'll pick y'all back up. I already shot it earlier today, as you can tell, but it'll work. So that'll be a good enough backstop. So I'm gonna shoot. Got the gun here, and the target's right there, which I'll be shooting to that phone. So let me put y'all right there. Put a BB in there. 10 pumps. Let's shoot this bad boy. Hey, I could have hit no more better than that. Oh man, we're gonna be deadly, y'all. I might not even put the scope on it. I mean, it's only about 5 yards, but still. I might need to put a backstop behind that because that was cooking. Dang. I did not think they would shoot that hard. Oh, I didn't remember. I'll find something better to shoot and I'll pick you up. Yeah, so it took me a good little while, about 5 minutes or so, to get the gun. I unloaded all the BBs, shot about 15, 20 times into this target that I've made. So let me walk down here and show y'all what I've made. I think when I turned the video off, I was trying to make a target. I don't know. We was doing something, but shooting decent. This is plywood, and most of the BBs are going through it. So let's shoot a pellet and see if it goes through it. This thing's cooking, y'all. And these pellets are like teeny. So let me show y'all. I think they're the same ones. I shoot some in my 177 cal, and they're like, I think like 7 grain. They're like not big as anything. I think these are it too. No, these aren't it. These are regular size ones. Yeah, that thing's teeny. But we are gonna shoot a couple shots of these pellets, and then we're gonna put the scope on. This one, when we squirrel hunt, we might shoot some BBs, but I think we'll shoot pellets. One more time for good measures. I'm gonna go for the top red one. That sounded good, y'all. Let's go see if we hit anything. The one thing I don't like about these is you can't click safety back on unless you cock it back. Oh. Thing there. Hit there. That's not bad. I mean, I'd probably kill a squirrel. One thing I don't like about that is the BBs are making more penetration than the pellets. So let's shoot 1 or 2 more and then see what, and then we're gonna put the scope on and see what the scope does. Ta-da. We did it. So now, let's set y'all here. We're gonna take this and shoot that. It's that simple. All you gotta do is, I mean, it's that simple, y'all. I mean, it couldn't get no easier. You pull this back, you pull a pellet, yeah. You do that 10 times, you shoot it. Might help if I can see something out the scope. Is this move? Dang. I can't see anything out of the scope. That one went through. Had to. I know that one went through. I don't know why that. Yeah, I knew it. Set the gun down. That one went through. That one went through. Hit that. Hey, and I was aiming here, so that needs to come up an inch. So let's go move. Okay, well, it's the next day, and we got the BB gun here, and got some BBs loaded up in it, as you can hear. And I grabbed a couple of these pellets just in case we have something in the trap. But we're gonna go check the traps and see if we can get us a bird, a squirrel, or something with it while we're checking traps, y'all. So let's go see if we got anything in the trap. Okay, well, first things first. Got a BB. Okay, let's go check the traps. Let's see. Nope, nothing. Everything's still there. Oh well, I'll get back. Missed one right here. There's a whole block of bird. hit near that one. Here we go, y'all. Set the gun down. Here we go. I don't know if we'll find him. He's over in some stuff. There we go, y'all. First kill with the BB gun. Did I smoke him? Oh yeah, right. A little high, but there we go, y'all. Smoked him. It's gonna make good bait for the trap. There's plenty of house sparrows around. They're everywhere, y'all. So yeah. Let's go check the rest of the trap, see if we kill anything else. Okay, y'all, well, the trap's cut off, so I don't see anything. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Well, oh my goodness. A huge possum. Well, I'm gonna take care of him, y'all. Okay, well, y'all are not gonna get this blind hunting in this video. This is going to be another video. Because I was not expecting to have a possum in the trap, so this is a pretty cool test. I put one from the front, like right there, and then I put another one inside of it, and one of his lungs. I just put a BB in his lungs. But possums, they were one of the hardest things to get. I'll pick y'all back up. Okay, y'all, there, 100%. So I put 2 more in his lungs, which I just pumped it up to about 15 with BBs, and put them right in his lungs, and that got him. There we go, y'all. That's a big old boar possum. Hey, that is a big possum. Every possum I've caught this year's been a boar. Got some wounds on him, which that's to be expected. But yeah, here we go, y'all. Was not expecting that, and we got more traps to catch. We are going to be cleaning this guy, and yeah, that's the first shot right there. Second shot. First shot was right here. Second shot was right here, and then put the third shot right there, and then fourth and fifth. One right there, and then put another one right here. Oh yeah, right there. So there we go, y'all. Got us a possum with the BB gun. Would have never thought that. I mean, he was in the trap, but so we had the advantage, but that was still really cool. So yeah, let's go check the rest of the traps, y'all. I'll get this guy hung up. I don't think he'll beat the other possum I caught this year. I've only caught 4 possums. I've caught 4 possums, 1 skunk, and 1 coon. That's it for me this season. Well, no, a bunch of squirrels, but trapping wise, anyways, that's it for me. And I haven't killed any possums in the field this year either. Normally I kill 5 or 6. The dog trees them at night and I kill them. But I haven't treated them this year. So, I'm going to put y'all on time lapse. We're going to start skinning. One more thing before we do. I want to compare this to... I don't know. It might be about the same. Yeah, this one's still bigger. So, yeah. But, let's get this guy skinned up. Okay, well, I got the possum cleaned up. And if y'all want to see the cleaning, I ended up making another whole video. So, sorry about that. If y'all want to see that, go check out the other video. So I'm gonna cut right through here. I heard that possum, you can use, well, not possum, but just any type of urine you can use to catch things with. So I'm gonna find a jar. I'm gonna get this urine from the possum. Hope this is the right sack. There you go. And dump it. Where's the sorry. There you go. Oh, smell. Yeah. This has a wicked smell. Yeah. Now we're gonna cut this. Basically, you gotta get a possum now. Well, that's exactly what we're doing. But I really just want to see how far the pellet penetrated and all that. BB, dang, it did good. Got one lung, maybe even a heart. Yeah, one. Okay, it got double lung. And no, I didn't get the heart. Oh well, but still, double lung, that's good. Let's cut this. Possums have a lot more fat on them than I thought they would. Like, well, I would think they would, I mean. I'm doing this because I'm going to make another video with this possum. The head. I kind of want to see how far the pellet penetrated, so. Ouch. Let's sharpen it one more time. I can't get it to cut nothing. Yeah, that and there, that will deassemble the rib cage. Let's use this knife. It's a big knife. Wow, this will make it much easier. Let's go right here. I'll pick y'all back up in a minute. Okay, also, we're going to get the hindquarters off of this, and we're doing a catch, clean, cook. So, never tried possum. Didn't know that I would ever be trying possum. But, you know, I'll make a good video, so I'll do it for y'all. I'll put it in this jar. I don't think this will be good. But the only reason I'm doing this is I got deer meat thawing out and we'll be cooking that, so I may as well add some possum in with it. So, if I wasn't already cooking something, this would not be. Y'all getting lucky. It's meant to be for me to eat possum. The coon was different. So now we're gonna try this. a gift. And just like the coon, there ain't no tenderloins on these things. Like I figured, yeah, there'd be some of them tenderloin. No. Rabbits got more tenderloin than these things do. There we go. Now we're gonna get him off of here. And he's been deassembled 100%. Well, not 100%, but for the most part. And we are going to be setting up a trail camera and basically just a bait station. We're going to see what eats it. Well, the camera's going to see what eats it. That's not going to work. Oh well, that'll be fine. Well, I'll pick y'all back up when we get back to the house. Well, y'all, we ain't done quite yet. I forgot that we never flushed the possum. So, I'm on board. Let's flush this guy. I'm gonna put y'all on time lapse for this one, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, well, I don't have a clue what happened with that possum, but it went from a big possum to a teeny possum. Well, not teeny, but smaller one. Stretch his arms out. But I got the board in there, got it all nailed up, got it flushed for the most part, and yeah. But every time I would come down it would break. I don't know. There was a bunch of holes in it, so I just cut it to where there was the least amount of holes possible. I don't know. Who knows? It could be anything. Could just be a hide, could be tender on that one. I don't know. Last one that I had, it kind of did that in certain places, but it was different places on that one, so I don't know. But let's go dump this stuff off, and I'll pick y'all back. Yeah, well, I took my time here real quick, and I took the hammer and this big knife, and I split the possum head right in half. So I'll try to cut it, but I don't know how it'll work. Nah, that's not gonna work. But oh yeah, I will. If I can hold these apart without cutting my finger. Okay, perfect. We got it apart. So this is one half, this is the other half. So this, as you can tell, is possum. So this one's a little bit better show. This one's a little bit better show. So, as you can tell here, this is possum's head, right? So most of the time when most people shoot them, they shoot them right here, right between the eyes. Well, that's what I was trying to figure out. Why do they not die when you shoot them, like, from midway the head and forward? They just don't die. And I shot them with 22s, pellet guns, everything. They not die. So what you need to do is you need to aim to the right side and shoot it at an angle at the back of the head. About, I don't know, about that far from the back of the neck. And that's where the brain's at. So that makes much more sense why I haven't been killing them. Been doing it wrong for forever. But I mean, they still die, but not instant. You got to put 1 or 2 more in them. So that makes more sense, y'all. Well, there you go. Now you've learned something today. Well, I have anyways. Hey, y'all. So it is the next day, and yesterday we caught the possum in the trap. And got 4 pieces of meat here. That's all we got off possum. And I'm cooking some deer meat too while I'm at it. And let me flip this deer meat. This is from a button buster killed back. Well, y'all can go check out the video. It's a 3-day hunting video, or I'll leave a link in the description if I think about it. But yeah, y'all can just go see it on the channel. Now we're gonna put y'all up here where y'all can see a little bit better. I'm going to put this piece of meat, that piece of meat, that one, and that one. Okay, I counted wrong. It's 5 pieces. Now I'll put this back on there. We're gonna do, I guess I do 2 minutes on each side. Well, I do a minute. 2 minutes of the deer meat, so I do a minute and a half. I had the pellet gun. That'd be a dead squirrel. He ran across this limb, went down this tree, sitting there, took off. Hey. He's one lucky boy. So we did get the possum boarded up. We flipped him this morning. A lot of that hair came off. It doesn't look very good. Probably just gonna toss it, but I don't know. We'll see. And yeah, this is about to be done. Well, I don't know how done it'll be, but all for the dog is I'm not gonna make another video, which y'all see, I think, in a week or so. Yeah, about a week. Maybe a week from a couple of days from when I post this. I'm not sure when I'll post this one. Well, got that done. Now I'm going to clean all this up and we're going to go taste test it, y'all. Okay, also, I think it should be cooled off enough. I'm scared to try this, to be honest. Not too sure how this is going to taste. That was not a good piece. Maybe all was not good, but it's actually not bad. Just really chewy. Reminds me of rabbit. Not bad. It's actually pretty good. Just other than chewiness, and just the texture and chewiness, that's weird. But on that, it doesn't taste bad. It's actually pretty good. As long as you don't think about what it is, you'll be fine. But don't forget to go check out my links down in the description. I'll leave links to my camera, my gun, my BBs, everything I use. And my merch link's first link down in the description. So I hope you like today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.